Ready for a ride that will leave your heart racing and your spirit soaring? Welcome to Slush Gusher at Disney's Blizzard Beach, where the thrill of the slopes meets the splash of summer. Imagine plunging down this icy hill, feeling the rush of wind and water as you race towards an unforgettable adventure. This isn't just any water slide. It's a high-speed, high-fun, heart-pounding experience that will have you coming back for more. Are you ready to take the plunge? Welcome to Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park in Orlando, where the fun never melts away. And at the heart of the excitement lies the exhilarating Slush Gusher. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you zoom down the icy slopes, dodging obstacles and making waves along the way. Slide straight to the bottom on this swiftly moving snowbanked slide and experience the thrill of the gushing waters. Zoom down an exhilarating 90-foot, high-speed water slide in the shadow of Summit Plummet. Zip over two rolling hills that give you an invigorating lift on the way down. It's a high-speed thrill ride that's perfect for thrill seekers of all ages. And after your wet and wild adventure, why not extend the fun by staying in one of our Hampton Lake vacation home? Located just minutes away from Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park, our homes provide the perfect retreat for families and friends looking to relax and unwind after a day of aquatic fun. So, if you're planning a visit to Slush Gusher at Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park in Orlando, make it a truly unforgettable experience by booking one of our vacation homes. Your watery adventure awaits.